In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add payment icons under Add to Cart button on Shopify. Payment icons can help reassure customers and improve the shopping experience by showing which payment methods are available. In this tutorial, we will add a small section under the Add to Cart button by using the theme editor and a custom liquid block. First, click Online Store. In Shopify, the Online Store area is where you manage your storefront theme, including the parts customers see on product pages. You should now see options related to themes and customization, so take a moment to confirm you're in the right section before continuing. Next, click Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor, which lets you make changes to your current storefront without needing to build everything from scratch. Depending on your theme, the editor layout may look slightly different, but the goal is the same. We want to edit the product page layout. Now open a product page from the theme editor. Look for a way to switch or preview pages inside the editor, such as selecting a product template or opening a product page view. This step matters because payment icons need to appear in the correct spot on the product page, specifically under the Add to Cart button. After that, click Add Block. You are essentially telling the editor to insert a new element into the product page layout. When you do this, you should see a panel or menu where you can choose what type of block to add. This is where the custom payment icon code will be placed. Then click Custom Liquid. Custom Liquid is the option that allows you to paste your own code into the theme safely. This is the key step that will let the payment icons display correctly in the storefront, while still being managed through the theme editor. Next, add your payment icons code. Carefully paste the payment icons code into the Custom Liquid area. Make sure you do not remove any required parts of the code, and ensure the icons will render under the Add to Cart button where you intend them to appear. If you have multiple icons, confirm they are grouped properly within the code so they display as a single payment icon row or section. After pasting, take a moment to check that there is no accidental extra spacing or broken formatting that could affect the output. Now, click Save. Saving applies your changes to the theme so the new payment icons appear on the storefront. This step is important because without saving, your pasted code will not be reflected for customers. Once you save, you can preview the product page within the editor to confirm the icons show under the Add to Cart button as expected. If you see the icons, the implementation is successful. If something looks off, you may need to revisit the custom liquid block and adjust the code, but the main workflow remains the same, and that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.